Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making an ice cream drip cake with sprinkles. Let's get started.
I started out making some Cakesicles. What are Cakesicles? They're basically cake pops in the form of an ice cream bar shape. I'm using an ice cream bar mold. I press the crumbled cake crumbs into them and pack them down. Then I press a stick into it. Then I put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes or so. I also have a chocolate melting machine here. If you don't have one of these, which are amazing by the way, then you can melt the chocolate in the microwave or in a double boiler on the stove. I dip the Cakesicles in the chocolate and put it on a baking sheet to set up and add some sprinkles on top while the chocolate was still wet. Then I frosted a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. So no, this is not real cake. But, you know, global pandemic. I don't want to eat it all myself. I also put some dark chocolate ganache into a piping bag and piped a lovely, indulgent drip onto the side of the cake. I put some extra ganache on the top of the cake and spread it out. I placed a Cakesicle onto the top of the cake and added some ganache at the bottom of the Cakesicle to make it look like it's melting. Then I added some sprinkles onto the top of the cake. I could have stopped there, but I added some swirls of the frosting at the bottom. And added a drip onto each swirl. The look reminds me of soft serve ice cream. And of course, I had to add sprinkles to these as well. How amazingly indulgent is this cake? It looks gorgeous and very appetizing. My girls were super excited about it. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.